Hello students, I hope you all are solving your given worksheets. Today we are going to solve some application based questions from lesson 1. Let's move to the questions. The first question for you is, Ria wants to watch a cartoon movie on the computer. Which part of the computer will display her favorite cartoon movie? I am repeating the question. Ria wants to watch a cartoon movie on the computer. Which part of the computer will display her favorite cartoon movie? You can guess the answer by this picture. Yes. You can see all the images, all the pictures on the screen, on the monitor. Yes, the answer is monitor. So Ria will also watch the cartoon movie on monitor. The next is, suppose your parents have bought all hardware parts required for a computer. After the computer system is ready, which software will be installed first? Again I am repeating. Suppose your parents have bought all hardware parts required for a computer. After the computer system is ready, which software will be installed first? There is a hint for you. Yes, the picture is of Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system. An operating system is the example of system software. About system software, I told you earlier that system software starts when we start the computer. So, system software we need to install first in the computer. Then only we can install other application softwares like MS Office, MS Paint, calculator or whatever. So, we need to install the system software, means the operating system. So, the answer is system software, operating system. Have you remembered the example of operating system? The two examples I have given you, Linux and Windows. There are two operating systems you have to learn, Windows and Linux. Move to the second type of question, that is cross the odd one. I am giving you a table. There are 6 questions for you. From these 6, you just find out which is the odd one. Let's read the first question, that is printer, mouse, MS Word and monitor. Printer is a hardware device, mouse is also a hardware device and monitor is also a hardware device. So the odd is MS Word because this is a application software. So we will cut this. Now the next is, second question is paint. Second question is paint, pen drive, solitaire and MS Word. So paint is a application software, pen drive is a hardware, solitaire is a game and MS Word is a application software. So the odd one is the pen drive because pen drive is the hardware. So I am going to cut this pen drive. The third is Windows 7, calculator, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. So Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, all three are operating systems, but the calculator is the application software. So I am cutting this calculator. The next is hard disk, SMPS, movie and motherboard. Hard disk, SMPS and motherboard are the devices inside the CPU box, but movie is the odd one. So I am cutting the movie. Now the next is Paint, calculator, MS Word and keyboard. You can see Paint is the application software, calculator is also application software, MS Word is also application software. But keyboard is a hardware, so keyboard is the odd one. So I am cutting the keyboard. The next is input, process, cooked and output. In this, there are three types of devices name given: input device, processing device and output device. But the cooked is the odd one. So I am cutting this cooked. So you can easily see the odd one. So for the practice, you just write these 6 questions in any of your copy and then solve it again and find out the reasons also why the answer is odd. Do practice and have a good day.